Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So as you understand, this is based on the India Today's best colleges in India for engineering, and they have ranked colleges from Karnataka also. So I am giving review which is their comparison of the ranking and the placements. So four colleges I am covering here is Niti Meenakshi, JSS Mysore, NI Mysore and KLS Gokte Institute of Technology. So as you understand, this is taken from the India Today survey, and if you see the four colleges, first college will be in NI Mysore, second college will be KLS Gokte Institute of Technology in Belagaum, third college is Niti Meenakshi, and fourth college is JSS Mysore. So those are the left and the right colleges from Mysore, and in between Belagavi and Bangalore based college. So first from the ranking perspective, NI Mysore, they have given the ranking in 2024 as 43rd best college in India. KLS Gokte, they have given the ranking of 63rd best college of India. Niti Meenakshi, they have given one rank above KLS Gokte, which is 62nd best college in India, and JSS Mysore, they have given the ranking as 55th best college in India. So in this one, NI Mysore is the topmost, and other three colleges are also very close, right? Now let's see the placement. So you can remember the first one is NI Mysore. So if I say about NI Mysore, 757 students got placed in 2023. 757 students placed. 210 companies visited NI Mysore. The highest salary for NI Mysore was 54.7 lakhs. Average salary of NI Mysore was 9 lakhs. And the placement percentage of NI Mysore they have put is 81.96. So that is almost 82% in NI Mysore. The second column you see is for KLS Gokte. In Gokte, the total number of placements were 604 in 2023 batch. 604 students from KLS Gokte were placed, and the highest salary of KLS Gokte was 51 lakhs. Average salary of KLS Gokte is 6.9 lakhs, which is 7 lakhs, and the placement percentage of KLS Gokte is 79%, and the PPO in KLS Gokte is 102 students got pre-placement offer. So second column is for KLS Gokte, 79% placement. Now let's come to Niti Meenakshi Institute of Technology. 727 students got placed in Niti Meenakshi Institute of Technology. Highest salary of Niti Meenakshi was lower than the KLS Gokte, which was 41 lakhs. Average salary of Niti Meenakshi was 6 lakhs, which is lower than KLS Gokte Institute of Technology. But the placement percentage of Niti Meenakshi is higher than KLS Gokte, which was 90%. So that is KL. And the last one is your JSS University Mysore or SJCE College in Mysore. So the total number of placements in SJCE was 823 because the number of seats in SJCE is higher than NI Mysore. NI Mysore total number of placements was 757. But surprisingly, the highest salary of SJCE, they are showing around 27 lakhs. Average salary as 10 lakhs. And then around 91% placement was there in SJCE or JSS Mysore. So this is based on the information which is there on the India Today website, and this is not my comparison. It is comparison between these four colleges based on the MDRA ranking. So I'll cover all the other colleges of Karnataka which are ranked there so that it will give you clear idea more than NIRF. This is the second information source. That's all I have to cover in this short video. Thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get similar updates. Take care and bye.